Teacher, can I talk to you for a moment? I'm honestly feeling very frustrated. I want to continue learning English, but I don't have money right now. English courses and institutes are very expensive, and I can't afford them anymore. I think I will have to stop studying, even though I really don't want to. I'm very glad you told me this because what you just said is something many adults feel, but they are afraid to say it out loud. Let me tell you something very important before we continue. Not having money does not mean you have to stop learning English. In fact, in 2026, learning English by yourself is not only possible, but in many cases, it is even more effective than going to an institute or academy. I have to tell you something important. The problem is not money. The problem is not knowing how to learn correctly on your own. Really, I always thought that without a teacher or an institute, it's almost impossible to improve. That's why I feel so discouraged. I know that belief is very common, but it is also very old. Years ago, institutes were the only option because people didn't have access to, to real English. Today, in 2026, English is everywhere. Remember this: the real challenge is not access, but direction. Many students fail because they jump from app to app, video to video, without a clear plan. Learning by yourself works when you learn with intention, not randomly. Now pay attention. I will tell you how to learn English by yourself. The first thing you need to understand is that English is not a school subject anymore. You are not studying to pass an exam or get a certificate. You are building a life skill. When you remove the pressure of grades and classrooms, learning becomes lighter and more natural. Believe me, institutes often follow rigid programs that don't adapt to your real life. When you learn by yourself, you choose the pace, the topics, and the focus. And that gives you more control and less stress. And that's very important. But, teacher, without a structure, I feel lost. I don't know where to start. And that's normal. Structure does not mean an institute. Structure means having simple rules. For example, English every day, even a little. English connected to your life. English used, not memorized. When you create these rules, you don't need a classroom. You become your own system. One of the biggest advantages of learning English by yourself is that nobody is judging you. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak beautifully. You just need to use English. 5 or 10 minutes a day of real use is more powerful than 2 hours of passive study once a week. You can listen to short conversations, read comments online, watch simple videos, or speak to yourself. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Remember that. So, you don't need to study long sessions. They are often unrealistic and exhausting. Short daily exposure keeps your brain connected to the language. Now, in 2026, technology has changed everything. You have free videos, podcasts, AI tools, subtitles, and conversations at your fingertips. But here's the key difference: technology should support your learning, not replace your thinking. Many students depend too much on translations tools and AI answers. That creates comfort, but not progress. The smart learner uses tools to understand. Now, institutes often teach perfect English, but real life is not perfect. Real English has pauses, simple words, repetition, and emotion. When you learn by yourself, you can focus on real conversations, conversations about work, family, money, stress, mistakes, dreams, and daily problems. This type of English is easier to remember because it feels real. Listening to real conversations helps you understand how English actually sounds. You learn rhythm, tone, and natural expressions. This is something textbooks and traditional classes often fail to teach. Another big benefit of learning by yourself is freedom. You can choose what to learn and when to learn it. You don't waste time on topics you don't need. You focus on English that helps your life. This creates confidence because you see progress where it matters. You stop asking, is my English correct? And start asking, can people understand me? Now, many adults are afraid to speak because they don't want to sound stupid. Well, learning by yourself allows you to practice in private. You can talk to yourself, explain your thoughts, describe your day, or repeat conversations you hear. This trains your mouth and your brain without fear. Over time, speaking becomes easier and confidence grows naturally. When you finally speak with others, it doesn't feel like the first time anymore. Your brain is already prepared. I am sure you can learn English by yourself. So, you really think I don't need an institute to learn English? You don't need an institute. You need clarity, consistency, and patience. In 2026, learning English by yourself is not a disadvantage, it's a powerful option. You save money, reduce the stress, and learn English that actually fits your life. If you use English a little every day, think in English, speak in English, and accept mistakes, your English will improve. And one day, you will realize something important. You didn't quit learning English. You simply learned how to learn it by yourself. And I hope it happens. Now, tell me, how do you learn English by yourself? What method and techniques do you use to practice and learn English by yourself? And if you want more tips on how to learn English by yourself, just let me know.